The secret of the magic forest. Hello, young adventurers! Welcome back to our channel, where imagination knows no bounds. Today, we have an enchanting tale that will transport you to a world of wonder and teach you an important lesson. Once upon a time, in a big, beautiful jungle, there were 5 special friends: Leo the lion, Emma the elephant, Max the monkey, Bella the bunny, and Oscar the owl. They loved to play together and go on exciting adventures. One sunny day, they heard a magical tale about the magic forest that was hidden deep within their jungle. It was said that the magic forest had a secret that could make any wish come true. The friends were filled with wonder and decided to find this mysterious place. With bravery in their hearts, they began their adventure. Leo led the way, and Emma, with her wise trunk, guided them through the tall trees and thick vines. Max, being mischievous, warned everyone about tricky traps they might encounter, making the journey full of laughter. Bella, the shy bunny, reminded them to be gentle and respectful to the jungle spirits, while Oscar, the wise old owl, listened to the whispers of the forest, providing them with valuable advice. As they wandered through the jungle, they faced challenges, like crossing a wobbly bridge and getting past a big puddle without getting wet. But together, they overcame every obstacle, helping and supporting one another along the way. After days of exploring, they stumbled upon an ancient tree with glowing markings. Leo's eyes sparkled with excitement. This must be the magic forest. They gathered around the tree, wondering how to unlock its secret. Max, always the playful one, started dancing and hopping around, hoping to reveal the secret through his joyful moves. But Emma, the wise elephant, gently said, "Oh, dear Max, the magic forest is not about wishes granted by tricks. It's about what's inside our hearts." Bella nodded and softly said, "Yes, we must show respect and gratitude for this magical place." Oscar, the wise owl, added, "Indeed, my friends. The true key to this forest lies within us, not in any dance or action." As the friends held hands and closed their eyes, they thought about what truly mattered to them: the love they had for each other, the joy of playing together, and the dreams they shared.
And in that very moment, something magical happened. The ancient tree opened up, revealing a dazzling light that spread all around them. It was as if the jungle itself was celebrating their pure and kind hearts. The friends realized that the real magic of the forest was not about making wishes, but about cherishing the love, friendship, and dreams in their hearts. They felt warm and grateful for the adventure and the special bond they shared. As they returned to their jungle home, they knew they would never forget the lesson they learned. That real magic lies in kindness, compassion, and the bond they shared with each other. So, dear little adventurers, you must remember this enchanting tale of the secret of the magic forest. Always be kind, cherish your friends, and never forget that the truest magic of all lies in the love and dreams inside your hearts.